work out the following integral. The integral of x squared ln of x dx. This suggests it needs to be done by parts. So using integration by parts, the formula is u dv by dx dx is equal to uv minus the integral of v du by dx dx. Now, you normally need to differentiate, and x squared you need to differentiate. So u has to be equal to ln of x, and you differentiate that, you're going to get 1 over x, and dv by dx will be x squared, and if you integrate that to get v, you get x cubed over 3. Right, substituting the formula, so it's uv, so it's ln of x bracket x cubed over 3 minus the integral of v, which is x cubed over 3, times du by dx, which is 1 over x dx. X and the cube will cancel out, so you just get x squared over 3. So you're going to get x cubed over 3 ln of x. When you 1/3 of x integral of x squared dx, so it's going to give you x over 3 ln of x minus 1/3 x cubed over 3 plus c. Writing that out again. Okay, just simply finishing this off, we're going to take out x cubed over 9. We have to introduce a 3, because if we put this over 9, this has to be 3 up here. So it's 3 ln of x minus 1 plus c is the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to find the integral of x squared times ln of x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.